Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and this edition is that special segment that we have where we have an English feature, and let's hear about this event that is happening in 新竹. All right, 我们一起来听听，好像在新竹县的一个艺术节，对不对？听听看咯。
Running strong for many years, the traditional Hakka Hsinchu County Flower Drum Arts Festival brings in people from around the world. From October 19th to the 25th, this year's festival will be at the new Tile House Hakka Cultural District in Jubei. The event features the Shodong Shi Play, which commemorates the fall harvest, parades, and drumming performances, celebrating the beauty of flowers and Hakka culture.
Alright, 原来就是新竹县的国际花鼓艺术节，对不对？ Alright, that's called the Flower Drum Arts Festival in 新竹。花鼓，先教一下怎么说。
法鼓，
法鼓 okay.
花鼓，
法 that's flower, 鼓 that is a drum. And these literally are flower drums. 它真的就是用花去做出来的鼓吗？还是说这个鼓？
其实很多人都可以装饰啊，把它打扮漂亮一点啊。
Okay, it doesn't mean that these drums are made of flowers. 因为用花做应该敲不出什么声音来。
它是鼓，然后花去点缀。
对 ，but。There's a lot of floral decorations, a lot of things that you can do with the drums, and it comes in all varieties, and hence it's called the flower drum. 好 so 法鼓 right? 那为什么会有这个花鼓节呢？它是有什么特别要去庆祝什么事情吗？
以前在客家庄都有重大节庆，那最重要还有一些收东西，收成了嘛，总要
收东西，懂了 ，OK， 不是收东西，
不是收东西，收东西，
了解 ，OK， so this is kind of in celebration of the winter harvest, and they have a play that celebrates this occasion, and this is where the flower drum came from. Oh, it all makes sense. 所以在这个时候，刚好在收冬的时候嘛，对不对？
对，
了解。所以收东西怎么说？
收东西，
收东西 ，OK， 不是收东西，又是收东西。And finally, this takes place in 新竹县。我们都知道新竹县的哪里呢？
新瓦屋。
新瓦屋怎么说呢？
新瓦屋。
新瓦屋 ，OK, that's where it takes place in 新竹 County. All right, let's review all these terms. 花鼓、
法鼓、
法鼓 and then it's called the Winter Harvest Play. 收东西。
收东西。
收东西 and there you go. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.